Hello everyone, I'm Nam. And following up on the previous video, we'll move on to the tutorial for the management and auto posting software. This is my tool here and it's going to help me manage all of my Facebook accounts right here. And it will proceed to perform tasks exactly as I want. Each account is basically like having a staff member. For instance, you'd normally pay for staff to post, find customers, send friend request message, and boost engagement. But now, with just this one tool, it's like you own hundreds of staff members that you can put to work however you like every single day. This tool has many features, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the auto posting feature. Now, to start auto posting, you can just click on this posting function right here. In the posting function, choose where you want to post, to groups, personal pages, profile reels, and there's also a posting history section here. It'll generate the links for you once the software finishes the task. So for group posting, for example, let's click on group posting. Here we'll start configuring and setting up the content. For instance, there's an additional step here to select the content. For the content part, you should select your content beforehand. So for this content part, I'll go to the content management section and you can go ahead and add your content in here. For example, let's add a post. To add a post, I'll select the category as post 1, for instance, post type, comment, or message. This post, proceeding sharing reels. Let's go with post. What's the post title? Right. For the post title, I'll set it to cosmetic. And this is where the content goes. So I'm going to go ahead and put in some random content. Okay. I'll just grab an image. Let's go ahead and use some content from ChatGPT for this example. So what I'll do now is type in write some content, write an ad copy for a Facebook post. We are talking about the cosmetics industry, which includes a variety of products and companies that focus on helping people improve or change their appearance. So, as you can see, it's generated the content for me. I'll just take this piece of content here, paste it in here, and I'll take a look. I'll fix the formatting a bit to make it look nice and clear for you. Now I'll select an image here, upload photos and videos. I'll just grab a random image from the web for this test. Sunscreen, let's see. Here, let's take this image. It's a bit blurry. Let me find a sharper image. I'll go ahead and save it now. There, I'll select upload. Here, we can check our content, see what the link is, and set it to post in order, for example, the number of images and what the random characters are. I'll add some random characters here, like $ smile, for instance. This is a specialized anti-spam mechanism. When you type these characters, each post will generate a different random character for you to ensure all the content is unique. Additionally, you can include multiple versions of the content here using ChatGPT to write various versions and then adding them all in so the software can help us post the content randomly, ensuring that no two posts are identical. There, I'll save it now and we'll have a cosmetics post ready right here. And then we'll switch over to the group posting feature. And here we'll set up some of these parameters. Regarding these parameters, when you use it, we'll provide hands-on guidance and set up all these settings for you so you don't need to worry about this part at all. For those who aren't very tech savvy or don't use computers often, this tool is actually quite simple and will provide step-by-step support until you're comfortable using it. There, now I'll set it up, for example, where to pull the content from. For instance, when selecting content, I'll check the content I just downloaded or rather just added and then save it, whether to allow duplicate content across different accounts. Well, that will depend on your own preference. Now, which groups are we going to post to? Let's post by group UID. These are the groups we just scanned. We can set how many groups each account posts to, like two groups or one group per account, and how many posts. I'll copy and paste the UIDs we just scanned earlier, which are the cosmetics group UIDs that I filtered for quality, and then start posting. Here we have options like automatically joining groups if you haven't already, avoiding duplicate group posts, setting post interaction, posting anonymously, or even commenting on the post after it's successfully shared. There. So it can have these setups for you to help your post get more engagement and push more interaction to the top of the groups there. Or you can tag everyone after posting. See, tag everyone after posting. And that's a pretty cool option. So everyone can get the notification. Once you finish setting it up, the next step is to just select the accounts you want to post from and hit start. Then the tool will automatically run and post for you. So here, the software will operate automatically and start showing notifications right here. We can check it out in a bit, like waiting to join this group, waiting to load, and so on.